Welcome to BotBat. In this quick video, we'll walk you step by step through creating a new account and setting up your organization to get started. From the sign-in page, simply click on Create Account at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's fill in your basic details. Enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Next, set a strong password, confirm it, and click the Create Account button. To ensure your account is secure, you'll need to verify your email. Head over to your inbox, open the verification email from BotBat, and click on Verify Email Address. Once verified, you'll be redirected to set up your company profile. Enter your company name, choose your industry, for example, technology, then select your company size and the country you operate in. You can also add your website URL. When you're done, click Next. In this step, let us know your primary use cases, such as customer service and support, so we can better tailor the experience to your needs. Then click Next. Take a quick look to review your information and make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click Complete Setup. Congratulations! Your account has been successfully created. You will now see the welcome screen. You can either take a quick tour of the platform or skip it to jump right in and explore your BotBat dashboard.